Hello everybody, this is TechHut, and in this video I'm going to be showing you a demonstration and a configuration tutorial of a plugin on Bukkit called SimpleChestLock. Now, as the title says, this plugin allows you to lock chests, but it also allows you to lock things like doors and furnaces and things like that. So getting right into it, if you don't have access to somebody's chest, this is what it'll end up looking like. You right click on the chest and it says access denied, which is exactly what you want. It also supports breaking it, so if I try to break Notch's block, it will say you can't break Notch's block. Now, locking chests with this plugin is extremely simple, as the title says. All you have to do is click on a block with a stick. This is also configurable, which I'll be talking about later. So if I were to click on this block, it says chest locked for Brandon Hopkins. Now if I try to open it, it says I've gained access to that chest. I can do the same thing with doors, so all I would do is click on this, and then it would say 2 wooden doors locked for Brandon Hopkins. Now when I try to get through, it will allow me to get through. Now there are some commands that we can go over. There is the Fcl Reload, which is how you reload the configuration file. So if I type that, it says I have successfully reloaded locks from chest.txt. I can do Fcl save, so let's say I was about to edit something, I can do that to save all the current chests to it. I can also do Fcl stats, so I can do Fcl stats, and it will display how much chests are locked and how much things are locked total. And I can also lock things for other users, so if you are an administrator and a user is not online but you want to lock something for them, all you would have to do is get your stick in hand and type SCL as and then the person's name that you want to lock the thing for. So now I'm locking things for Notch, and if I click on that, I've locked the chest for Notch. So that is a simple demonstration of how you use this plugin. Now let's get on to the configuration. Now the configuration for this plugin is actually very simple. If you go into your plugins in the SimpleChestLock folder, you'll see two things. You'll see chests.txt and the config YML. And the chest.txt is where all the data is stored. So as you can see, I've been testing it before I made the video. I made a couple Notch and a couple chests for me. Now if I close out of that and go to the config, it allows me to edit some things. So you can use permission whitelist if you'd like to. There's more information on that on the thread. You can do lock pair, which allows you, I'm not 100% sure, but I think that allows other people to lock the chests if you give them permission, or it's like a double door thing where you can give somebody else access to your house. Now lock chests is a test feature and I would not recommend using it right now. Verbose is I would recommend just keeping that off. If you have that on, it will try to tell you like everything that you do, and the plugin will just kind of spam you. Combo key, I didn't get into combo keys, and I'm not going to, but there's going to be more information on the thread for combo keys, but that is the item ID that you're going to want to have as your combo key. Suck range applies to the chest lock suck feature. If you really want to know what that is, you can also look that up on the thread. And the key is the locking tool, so let's say if you didn't want it to be a stick, you could change that anytime you'd like to and use a different type of locking key. So that is the config. It's very simple. This is the thread that you're going to be looking at for things I didn't mention in this video. I hope this helped you in some sort of way. Have a good day, and goodbye.